Introducing the SMD 3D axial antenna, a versatile and compact solution designed to meet the demanding needs of modern automotive and industrial applications. This innovative antenna features 3 coils oriented along the 3 spatial axes, providing comprehensive functionality within a single component. Ideal for keyless entry systems, RTPMS, and various control and tracking devices, it offers exceptional electrical performance in a minimal footprint. With customizable inductance values to suit specific requirements, the 3D axial ensures high stability across a wide temperature range, -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius, and maintains impressive sensitivity. It consistently delivers reliable performance. This antenna exemplifies high efficiency and robust design, making it a prime choice for advanced technological applications.